adventure lover. So today we will be bringing you along to one of our favorite activities to do during the weekend, which is hiking. So this time around we are going to bring you to go hike at Bukit Perahu, which is located in Tamparuli. So as you can see here, around noon I think there was a heavy rain around that day. So we need to go through a muddy situation, but fear not, with our trusty hiking shoe we won't get dirty. So as you can see also on our right, there is a construction going on. I'm not sure what they are building, but I'm guessing from the shape itself they're building a temple. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So this was the starting point for Bukit Perahu. So Bukit Perahu, I would like to advise you guys beforehand, especially to those who are new to this hike. This hike, compared to all the other bukit that we have tried, it has a lot of stairs to it. So please prepare yourself physically and mentally before you conquer this hike, because it is to me a medium level hike if you are quite new to hiking, but it's doable. Please don't be scared, just give it a try. Like myself, I hike at my own pace, so just hike and enjoy the view. So a little insight on Bukit Perahu. It is also known as the Ruhyang Hill by the locals. It is located at Tamparuli, and you might wonder why is it called that way, Bukit Perahu. In Malay language, Bukit is actually hill and Perahu is boat. So from the stories that I've read, there are actually two rocks on top of the hill that resembles a vessel. Hence why the name is given that way, because of the shape of the rock they have found on top of the hill. Okay, so we have reached the middle area right here. So it looks like this. So for myself, whenever I reach this area and view this view, I would remind myself that we are already halfway there and there's another half more hike to go. So this keeps me motivated. It's gonna get quite challenging. If you can see on the pace of my hike, it's very slow, but please do not give up, because the view on top is very worth it. You can see people quite tired, please take a rest. If you're tired, don't force yourself. So this hike will take around 1 hour or so to complete, and the distance is 1.6 kilometers up and down. You will be surrounded by the lush greenery, so don't be afraid of the temperature. It's quite cooling if you go around 5 p.m. and it's not recommended to go around like 2 p.m. like that. We have tried and it's very hot, so it's not recommended. You can also hike this Bukit Perahu to catch the sunrise, and also you will be surprised by a lot of views along the hike, so please take your time to enjoy the view. And yeah, also what I would like to say is the middle part is quite challenging because it's quite steep, and sometimes there will be ropes available for you to hang on to it. Yay! So we have reached our final destination, which is the top of the hill. So you will be greeted, if you're lucky enough, by this cute little dog that was wandering around when we first got there. So he's all black and very very cute. And also you'll be greeted by this panoramic beautiful view of the Tamparuli town. So this is my hike going down. So also I would like to put here is that if you're planning to go on a Mount Kinabalu climb soon, this trail is very recommended for you to train, because it has a lot of stairs that resembles the situation that you'll be facing in Mount Kinabalu. So this is the perfect scenario for you to train on. So that is it from the two of us. If you're a Sabahan, I would highly recommend for you to come here to this Bukit Perahu for a lovely hike with your friends or your family to view the beautiful panoramic view of Tamparuli town. It is a bit tiring, but it is also worth it because of the present that Mother Nature will give you at the end of this hike. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you again on our next adventure. Bye bye.